Hello everyone, I'm Renuka from Ajayastromoneyguru, first astrofinance digital channel, which is first global multi-business language channel. I welcome you all here on 28th February 2022. Today major news are: oil jumps over 7% as Russia isolation triggers shortfall fears. Oil soared at the open as energy and commodity markets were thrown into a state of disarray after Western nations unleashed more sanctions to isolate Russia following its invasion of Ukraine. West Texas Intermediate and Brent rose more than 7% in early Asian trading. The US and its European allies agreed over the weekend to exclude some Russian banks from the SWIFT messaging system and target the central bank's international reserves. BP plc also moved to dump its shares in Rosneft PJSC, taking a financial hit of as much as $25 billion. Commodity and financial markets are bracing for further turmoil from the growing fallout from Russia's invasion of Ukraine and the West's responses via sanctions. Both WTI and Brent topped $100 a barrel last week before retreating after the US reiterated its decision not to sanction Russian energy exports. Worldwide oil output is already struggling to meet the rebound in consumption fueled by the reopening of economies, and any disruptions to Russian flows will only exacerbate this. Separately, production outages in Iraq added to concerns of already tight supplies, with OPEC Plus expected to stick to its plan of only gradually increasing supply when it meets this week. The surprise move by BP is the latest sign of how far Western powers are willing to go to punish President Vladimir Putin for his invasion of Ukraine. The oil major has been in Russia for 3 decades and just a week ago was staunchly defending its presence there. Societe Generale SA and Credit Suisse Group AG stopped financing commodities trading from Russia, according to people familiar with the matter. The two banks, key financier to commodity trade house, are no longer providing the money needed to move raw materials such as metals and oil from Russia, said the people, who asked not to be named because the information is private. OPEC Plus will be probably stick to its plan of only gradually increasing oil production when it meets this week to decide on targets for April, according to several delegates. Last week's jump in prices did not reflect an imbalance between supply and demand, and the alliance should continue adding 4 lakh barrels a day to the market each month. The UK would support a group of 7 nations setting limits on the amount of Russian oil and gas its members could import over time, Foreign Secretary Liz Truss said, in a potential escalation of the impact of the war in Ukraine on energy markets. Russia's military is funded by revenues from oil and gas, so what we have to do is reduce dependency on oil and gas, Truss told Sky News on Sunday. So that's all for today's news. Requesting our viewers to kindly like and subscribe our channel. If you haven't subscribed it yet, don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get timely updates from us. You can also contact us on the following number given below for the advanced predictions or advanced information that you will be needing on the special reports. You can also watch our other videos on this channel like stock market, bullion, gold, agro commodity, non-agro gene, etc. So that's all for today's. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.